if at all you don't use any other tool, this is the tool. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going through several tools that will help you, get along with SEO as a beginner. So yeah, SEO tools, as we all know, in search engine, optimization world, it's very crucial that you understand how your website is doing and what exactly, that you can tap on to get along in the world of SEO. So we're going to be looking at these tools, and then, yeah, let's get into it right away. Let's start with a tool that is directly from search engine, giant itself, Google. So it's called Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a powerful tool that allows you to monitor overall website performance and how it's doing in the search result. It helps you submit your sitemap. It helps you analyze your performance and identify issues affecting your website. So this is crucial. It's a must. I mean, if at all you don't use any other tool, this is the tool. Another indispensable tool from Google is Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is more or less like a hub where you gain insight of what is actually going on your website. You're talking about, who is visiting your website, their demographics, their location, what they are viewing, the pages they are viewing, how they are interacting with your website. So this is a tool that is a must to have. You must install it to be able to understand what is going on your website. Up next is Yoast Plugin. So Yoast SEO Plugin is quite very crucial to have. Of course, there are different alternatives in which I'm not going to talk about this video because specifically I'm a fan of Yoast SEO. So Yoast SEO is more or less like it helps you provide, it provides you with insight on, the keyword you're using, the readability, and also, the best practices in SEO world. So it's a must to have. I mean, I'm not going to talk about alternative here because this one is also very user-friendly, beginner-friendly. Easily we can, in the next upcoming video, I'll be showing you how to install them. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, the next we're going to talk about is more or less like a research tool, which is called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is more or less like all-in-all SEO tool that will help you, do comprehensive backlink analysis, keyword research, competitor analysis. Ahrefs, you can uncover new keyword potential that you can target, and also you can track how your keywords are doing, and also you can monitor, what competitors are doing in terms of strategy. It's going to reveal a lot to you, and it's a serious tool that, of course, it's not free because it's super valuable. Yeah, so it's not free. So yeah, up next is going to be Ubersuggest, in which this offers free trial. Also, actually, Ahrefs also offers a free trial. So Ubersuggest is more beginner friendly. I just love how the layout is, how you can easily navigate. It shows you content ideas from your competitors, from the keyword. It shows you related keywords that you can, tap into. It just shows a bunch of information when it comes to your keyword and also the website you put into the research. So yeah, the last but not the least is this. This is super underrated in the industry, and I want you to stay up on this one. It's called Spyfu. Spyfu allows you to do intense competitor research, and also it gives you information about the SEO strategy of your competitors, and also you can analyze organic search rankings, keyword, and also one thing that makes it super different from most of the SEO tools that I use is it shows side by side the PPC, the Google Ads campaign that your competitors are running, and also view of what you can tap on. I mean, like, just make sure you check it out and see, if you can, like, they have, I think about, is it 30 per month, 20 euros per month that you can get access to. So that's also some bunch of backlink, outreach. This is more advanced, but you can reach out to a website, to link back to you. You can arrange them, categorize them on how it's related to your content and keywords. So it's super handy too, and I think everyone should be using it. And then that's a wrap about the essential tools for beginner in terms of every SEO. I mean, like, if you find this content helpful and informative and you have any question, you can drop it in the comment below. And then please, don't forget to like and subscribe, because this channel we are going to be talking about SEO and marketing tips. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, stay optimized.